That is delicious. It is perfect. Come with me because we're about to make cheeseburger sliders for our Super Bowl Sunday appetizers. Let's get started. Today we are making my hamburger sliders for Super Bowl Sunday. For Super Bowl, we like to have like picky foods, like handheld finger foods. So these sliders are #1 on the menu. So what I have here is just a cookie tray, a quarter sheet cookie tray, and I'm going to put my ground beef. This is ground sirloin, and I'm just going to press it into the cookie tray just until I have a nice thin even layer. Just work it into the corners and flatten it out. There it is. But just to ensure that I have it even, I want to show you a trick. So I just take some plastic wrap and I put it over the tray. I cut it off, tuck it under, and then I take another tray that's the same size and I put it on top of the plastic wrap and I just give it a good press down, and I try to get even pressure all over, and there you go. Now it's all even and level. That's a great little trick. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to salt and pepper the ground meat on this side, and then when I put it in the pan to start cooking them, I'll put it seasoned side down and season the other side. So that was salt and pepper, and I'm putting onion powder and garlic powder. Now what I like to do is I like to use a cutter. You can use a glass, a bowl, whatever, but just make sure that it's slightly bigger than your slider buns, because when you start cooking the meat, it's gonna shrink. So you wanna use something a little bit bigger than the slider bun so that when it does shrink, it fits the bun perfectly. So I'm just gonna take my cutter. This is a donut cutter, by the way, and I'm just gonna cut out our burger. And then don't worry about the excess because we're going to use that. We're not going to waste that. And there is our perfect slider. So let's go to the stove and we'll put them in the pan. Okay, so we're about to fry up our burgers, and these are going to go super duper quickly because they are very thin. So what I have here is extra virgin olive oil and a half an onion that I grated in the pan. And now I'm going to take the sliders and I'm just going to lay it on top of the onions. Very reminiscent of those little burgers that we used to have back in the day, right? Okay. So with my clean hand, I'm going to season the other side with salt, some black pepper, just like the other side, some garlic, and some onion powder. And we're just going to let these fry up. It won't take long at all, maybe 2 minutes on each side. Okay, it's been about 2 minutes. Our burgers are ready to flip. Look at that. The onions caramelize. The burgers have a nice crust on them. So we're just going to get these all flipped, and then we're going to plate them up. Okay, let's build our sliders. I'm super excited. So I just have slider buns here with, I put cheese, lettuce, tomato, and ketchup on mine. So let's get one of these sliders. See how perfectly it fits on the bun, because we used the cookie cutter or the donut cutter that was a little bit bigger than the bun. So when they shrunk up, now they're perfect. Top it off. Doesn't that look beautiful? Yes. If I had pickle, I would put that on there as well. That is delicious. It is perfect. Do not skip the step on grating up the onion and putting it down on the bottom and letting them caramelize while the burgers are cooking. That is a home run. It just takes an ordinary slider burger and elevates it tenfold. Guys, if you want the recipe to my cheeseburger sliders, just comment the word recipe in the comment box below and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Let's go, Patriots.